In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your phone number in Telegram. If you want to protect your privacy while still using Telegram normally, this is a very useful setting to know. Telegram gives you control over who can see your phone number and who can find your account using it. The process is very similar on both Android and iPhone, so I'll walk you through it in a simple way. First, open the official Telegram app on your phone. Once you're in, the next step depends on the device you're using. On Android, tap the menu icon in the top corner. On iPhone, tap Settings. From there, look for Privacy and Security and open it. Inside Privacy and Security, tap Phone Number. This is where Telegram lets you manage your phone number visibility. If your goal is to hide your number from other people, go to the section labeled Who Can See My Phone Number and select Nobody. This is the main setting that prevents others from viewing your number on your profile. After that, check the option called Who Can Find Me by My Number. For better privacy, choose My Contacts if that option is available and works best for you. That means only people already saved in your contacts can use your number to find your Telegram account. In some cases, you may also see Nobody, which gives you even more privacy by preventing people from finding you through your number at all. Telegram also gives you exception settings, which are helpful if you want a little more control. In the same phone number settings screen, tap Never Allow or Always Allow. Then add specific users to your exception list. This is useful if you want to block certain people from seeing your number, or allow trusted people to see it while everyone else cannot. Another important step is using a username instead of your phone number. Go back to Settings and tap Username. Then create a unique username that other people can search for and contact you with. Once that's set up, you can share your username instead of giving out your phone number directly. This is one of the easiest ways to stay more private on Telegram while still being reachable. People can contact you using your username without seeing your phone number, which is especially helpful in group chats, public communities, or conversations with people you don't know personally. Once you finish these settings, your Telegram account will be much better protected, and you'll have more control over who can see and use your phone number.